What is going on, everybody?
It is a windy day today.
It is super windy. So we're still here in Burnett, Texas at Lake Buchanan RV Resort. And one thing that a lot of people ask us is how we do holidays on the road. How do the kids get those holidays with, you're usually with family or friends or something like that. For us, we typically try to go back for the biggest ones, so Thanksgiving and Christmas, back to our hometown. And the other ones we kind of just do it where we're at, right?
Yeah.
So,
and we just, we try really hard to make them extra special for the kids.
Yep.
And it's really kind of fun experiencing holidays in different areas because so
There's
many
always
places
something going
do
on.
something different. Yeah. So we've got some really fun Easter plans this weekend for the kids. And to kick it off, for the last 4 years, we have a tradition of making an Easter scavenger hunt for the kids.
Yep.
So at whatever RV resort we're at, we create a scavenger hunt and they have to figure out the clue that leads them to the next egg, and then eventually we'll lead them back to a prize that we get them. And it's usually something that they need and that we
they can use outside or something like that. So yeah,
watch it. It's so cute.
We're gonna start off our Easter shenanigans. Man, it is windy, isn't it?
I can't even find the number 2.
That's Lake Buchanan. Fish off of this, you can drop your kayaks in. They have boat launch ramps right here and everything, so. We just finished hiding them around the park.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, already, so we gotta do that again. So now we'll start the kids off at home and we'll be back home at the very end to get a cool little
You guys, if
Easter present.
you have littles, this is one of the funnest traditions that we have started. They love it.
Yeah, they do love it. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, are you guys ready for the 2025 Easter scavenger hunt extravaganza?
Yeah!
All right, do you guys like this tradition?
Yes.
All right, let's get started.
All right.
Open her up.
So this is clue number 1.
Here we stand, throw and count. The winner usually has the highest amount.
The cornhole day.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like Sissy found it.
I float on water every day. You can jump off me, fish off me, and I sometimes sway. Where is it?
What do you think?
Oh, wait.
At the,
What is it? What do you think?
oh, what was it?
Good job.
It's the boat dock.
Listen, I'm brown, and I'm big, and I'm made of wood, and you would go there every day if you could.
The playground.
There it is. Nice job. What are you doing, son? Trying to. I don't think you're fast enough for that lizard. Like, you're really close.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, let's hear it.
Down my trail is where you should go. Use your eyes to search high and low.
The path.
The what?
Good.
Okay. He got it. The walking trail. Oh,
Check in here before your stay. Be sure and tell the staff to have a nice day.
The office.
the office.
Good.
You looking for a what? Egg.
What's that an egg?
Do you know what the price of eggs have gone up?
Do you have it?
Well,
We haven't.
You said the magic word.
what do you say, Sissy?
You're welcome.
You can jump in me to cool off and relax. Just be sure to make a big splash.
In the pool.
He just saw it.
If your clothes are dirty, you would come here. In my location, the office is near.
The washer and dryer.
There you go.
The laundry. Warm.
Yeah, you're close. Closer.
Warmer.
Closer.
Warmer. Hot. Pretty hot. Hot, 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 hot.
Look up from there. There we go.
You must read the last clue all on your own. Your prize is waiting. You have to read that.
At home.
What is it?
Oh, my roller skates and a kite.
What is it?
What is it, guys?
What do you think?
I love it. Yeah.
You do love it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I love the helmet and the roller skates and the kite.
Are you surprised? Yeah.
All right.
What do you say?
Thanks.
We're welcome. Just wrapped up our
Tell him what do you think?
scavenger hunt. What y'all think?
So cool.
Cody
cool.
said the clues were a little bit harder this year.
Hmm?
Were they a little harder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like your presents?
Yep.
Yeah. Was that fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so now we got some other things planned this weekend. So yeah, we'll keep chugging along. So it is
Like 5.
5:30 in the morning on a Saturday. So it's a little early for us.
My family loves me.
Yeah, so we are actually going to, it's the Horseshoe, look at that energy at 5:30.
Horseshoe Bay, 11th annual balloon
It's like a
fiesta.
mini Albuquerque balloon festival.
Yeah.
Like mini.
There's only like
so.
25.
So they're supposed to lift the balloons up at like 7 a.m. So we got to get there. It's about 30 minutes away. They're doing like a helicopter drop, egg drop, and stuff like that. So
Oh, Easter bags.
Easter-
Or
Easter
baskets.
baskets.
Thank you for
Yep.
saying that.
So yeah, we're gonna go do
Okay.
that. Well, we can probably get a snow cone after.
He said it's too early for
Yeah, bro, it's like 6 in the morning, 6:30 in the morning.
Then why are you giving us donuts?
That's true. So you got a snow cone at 7 a.m. Okay. We're at the
The balloon fiesta.
yeah, it's pretty neat so far. Oh, sorry.
You're like,
So-
oh, I'm in the corner.
Pretty neat so far.
Yeah, they've got these paragliders.
Yeah.
Is that what you call them? Up in the air doing tricks, and then the balloons are starting to inflate.
Yeah, pretty neat. Just got word they're not going to send them up in the air.
The
Kind of a
weather.
bummer, but apparently the weather,
understand.
yeah, it looks like it's going to rain and stuff. So, but they're about to stand them all up and let everybody see them. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're awesome
Yeah,
to see in person.
yeah, they're big. What'd you get?
A lot.
Dude. Was that so cool?
Was that fun?
Was it cool with the helicopter?
That was chaos.
We just wrapped up the morning session at the Horseshoe Bay balloon thing.
Balloon fiesta.
Pretty cool.
Festival.
Yeah. So they didn't, unfortunately, they didn't get to take off the weather, I
Yeah.
guess. So,
Kind of gloomy today.
but it was cool to see the balloons, and then they did the helicopter
Egg
candy
drop.
drop.
Yep.
So that was neat too. There is an afternoon session that comes with your tickets on this, but we just learned that it's very
Everything
expensive.
costs extra, so they're supposed to have a rock wall for the kids and a blow up thing and all this stuff.
Each
and
thing
each
is
thing
$10
is
per
$10
kid.
per
So
kid.
it's like,
So for that price, we could take them to like a trampoline zone or something like that. So we came, we got to do the balloons, they got to do the egg hunt. Now we think we're gonna move on and do something else with our day.
So we're gonna finish our Easter weekend out. How has your Easter weekend been?
Good.
Yeah? What has been your favorite part so far?
Easter hunt.
The which one?
Easter hunt.
The scavenger hunt or the egg drop from the helicopter with all the kids?
Easter hunt.
Probably the scavenger hunt?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
Okay, so that wraps up our Easter weekend.
Easter
Thank
extravaganza.
you for being here with us.
Yeah.
We had a great time. We had a great Easter, lots of fun activities. This is how we celebrate holidays on the road.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed, and as always,
Yeah, like and
show us some
subscribe,
love.
guys, and we'll see you next week. Peace.
Bye.